here. I just made a couple of Father's Day cards, custom cards, and I'm really happy with where they came out, and I thought I would show you the results. So this first one, it comes with a handmade custom envelope, and this was an England design for somebody that was born in England, obviously. Happy Father's Day. And the dragon there, the English flag, English born and proud of it there, British bulldog. So this folds completely flat, but it is actually a box card. So it can stand up completely on its own, like that. And there's lots of different layers there. Bit of sparkle. There's even a spot on the back to write a personal message. And it folds completely flat in the envelope, so that can go in the mail. And then the other one, this one, another Father's Day card actually, and this is the pop-up one but in a different style. And as you can tell, it's photography related, clue on the front there. And this one is a Polaroid card. So this is my own design of this card. Got different layers here, so the buttons kind of stand out, the lens, a little bit of shimmer for the flash, this cardstock. And this can be completely customised again, so this, I would say, shake and turn, shake it and then turn over. There is a photograph on the other side. Because it's a personal photograph, I'm not going to show it on the camera, but you can add a personal picture in there of, this one actually has my customer and her father for Father's Day. But you can add it for any kind of occasion, and any photograph that I can print and just put on there for you. And again, that folds completely flat to go in the mail. So there's just a couple of my custom made cards for Father's Day. I'll be showing you how to make a few more in the next few videos.